How to make collaborative Spotify playlist friends can add to. The first step is to open your Spotify app on your phone. After you open the app, click on your library option that is on the bottom right side of your page. After clicking on it, you can choose any album you have in your library. For instance, here I have chosen this album. Now you have to find an icon with a plus sign and a person which is on the middle left side of the page. Click on it. After clicking on it, a link like this will appear on your page with several sharing options. You can simply share that link through other apps or just copy the link and send it to respective person. Also, you have an edit option on the top right corner where you can choose a background color for the thumbnail or for your link. You'll be given different colors to choose from. After sending the link to the respective person, your collaborative partner has to accept the link invitation in order to get access to your album. After your collaborative partner has accepted the link invitation, you can see that they are also accessible to your album and can add songs. Every song they add to this album will show their account's icon. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.